my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful dark fall look, and if you would like to see it, please keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe to see more videos of me. Okay guys, so we're gonna start. So before this video I had already did my brows off camera as well as primed my eyes. For the brows I used the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 5. And for my eyes I applied the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte Cosmetics. I don't use any eye primer or any of that store. I always just put concealer. I think it does the same as any eye primer. That's just my opinion. But we're going to go in with the eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetic. It's Lavine Dawn Prince. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. So these are the shades. So as you can see, the top rows are nice brown tones, and these are all in the second row all bright colors. Obviously we're not using that because we're doing a fall look. So for the crease I'm going to go in with the color Cocoa. I'm going to go in with using the Morphe brush. You just want to pat. I like to pat it, the eyeshadow, just to make sure sometimes like how pigmented it is, because sometimes these eyeshadows, girl, they are so pigmented, and then when you put them on you're like, whoa, this is too much. Now I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape Tarte Concealer, and I'm just going to outline a little bit. So on my eyelid, just to give it a nice cut crease. I think I put way too much concealer, but eventually it will dry out. Don't worry if your cut crease like touches your eyeshadow on the crease. You can always fix that later on. Not a big deal. So just to blend out my concealer and have it set, I'm going to go in with the color Chata on the first color on the first row. It is basically the same color as the concealer, and with my finger just going to tap a little bit of it and just put it on my eye just to set it. Like that. Then I'm going to go back in with the other brush that I had and just fix a little bit on the corner. Just go over. And that's it. So now for my eyelid, I'm going to go with the color Brillo, which is this nice dark brown shimmer color. I'm going to use a Morphe flat brush for this color. It's a pretty color. Just going to put that in the outer corners of my eye. I'm sorry, in the inner corners of my eye. And work my way up. I'm just going to go halfway because I really want to put a different color on the outer corner just to bring it a little bit of pop of color for fall. So for the outer corner of my eye, I'm gonna go ahead with this yellow right here. There's like mustard yellow, and it's Noel, a color. I'm just gonna put it right here in the outer corner. And just bring it a little bit up so it can blend with the Brillo color. Just like that. The brush that I use for the crease, and I'm just gonna fix it because the glitter from the shimmer is getting on the crease. Kind of annoying, but So I'm gonna finish the eye off camera as well. I'm gonna do my eyeliner because I can't do my eyeliner on camera. Like, I literally need to be up close and personal in the mirror because I'm literally blind. So I'm gonna be using the E.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner. This is my holy grail. I've been using this for years and it's only like $3, which is a deal. And it does basically the same as any other eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. So yeah, I'll be right back. So to start, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer in the color Buttermilk. And I love these type of foundations because they come in a stick and it's just so easy to apply, because you basically just do a couple lines across your face instead of doing it on the brush. I mean, on the brush or on your beauty blender. Sorry guys, I love putting a lot of foundation so my skin can look so flawless. Okay. So with my Married but Disco, I'm going to go in with the Real Technique Beauty sponge and just spray it. And then I'm just going to go and blend my foundation. I always start in the bottom with it on my chin. I don't know why, that's just where I always start. Then I work my way up. I have not used a brush in such a long time to apply foundation, since beauty sponges and beauty blenders have came out. It's been such a long time that I just don't like how the brushes blend now. I'm so used to this. Because I feel like beauty blenders apply the foundation very well on the skin. It doesn't leave it that cakey, whereas a brush, it really leaves your skin cakey if you're not applying it well, or you're being too harsh on your skin. I can like just sit here all day and just do this because this is so entertaining. Then I always leave my nose for last. My nose is so dry on the outer corners and then really oily here on the T-zone. And I just like to blend my foundation well on my nose, or else I will get that cakey look on there and I hate that. Foundation, Clinique's foundation says it's a foundation and a concealer. I always like to be extra and just add concealer anyways. And I'm going to go in with the Shape Tape concealer and just apply very minimum under my eyes. And I'm going to go in with the setting spray and wear a little bit more. So beautiful. I literally I wet my mirror. Now I can see. Let me just dry it. Okay. Now that my concealer's on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the L'Oreal Inflatable Loose Setting Powder. I usually use one from MAC Cosmetics, but oops, that one I have no more left, so I had to use this one. I've only used this once, so I'm gonna try it out and see if I like. So for the blush, I'm gonna go in with the Milani blush, and this is in the color Beans. I think I put way too much, but it's okay. I'm gonna go with the beauty sponge and just tap out a little bit of it. That way it doesn't look too dark. Next, I'm gonna put mascara, and I'm gonna go in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. This is like my favorite mascara of all time. Hey guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoy my fall makeup video today. If you'd like to see more videos, please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned to see more videos of me. And until next time, bye.